Learn by doing with our tutorial on how to quickly start a 3D model using the sub-D capabilities in Geomagic Sculpt. Open an empty workspace. Select inches as the units. On the sub-D palette, click the Cube sub-D tool. In the Dynabar, change the X, Y, and Z shape dimensions to 10, 8, and 6, respectively. Set the symmetry to the Z-axis. This will mirror any changes from one side to the other. Click the New button. The new sub-D shape appears. Zoom out and rotate. Back on the Dynabar, change the sharp setting to 27%. Zoom out. To start changing and refining the shape, click on the Edit Sub-D tool. The Sub-D toolbox opens. Check the cage setting. Option 1 for 6 faces. Start changing the shape to a gas can. First, select the Extrude Edge or Face tool in the Dynabar. For scale faces, enter 20%, meaning a new face will be 20% of the size of the face you select. Click on the top of the shape. Click and drag the vector arrow and extend the top face. Here I'm going to about 3.6. Use the Select tool and move the top right control edge out, even with the back of the shape. To flatten the bottom of the container, hold down Control and select the bottom faces. In the toolbox, turn the crease value up to 52%. Add a control loop around the model body. Click on the Add Loop button. Pull out points for a raised contour. Make the bottom surface of the container slightly concave. Select the two sections and click Add Face Loop. Click Shrink. Under Offset Inset, enter 0.25 for the distance and click Inset. Change both crease and sharp values to 0. Repeat the process for Select, Add Face Loop, Shrink, Inset, Crease and Sharp for 2 more face loops. Extend the contour of the back for a more rounded shape. Choose the Select tool and click and drag the center points out. Use Add Loop to create another control loop surrounding the top. Pinch in the top of the form by selecting the middle loop and pushing it in. Add a rounded contour to the front top. Use Add Face Loop to create more control loops around the body of the shape. Grab the Select tool and select the interior face where the opening for the handle will be. Click Add Face Loop. Click the Delete and Fill Hole button, and the handle opening appears. For a stepped contour at the back, grab the Select tool again and select the back 3 edges behind the handle. You can hold the Control key for a multi-select. Click Delete and make whole. Select and extend the back edge and smooth by changing Sharp to 0. To create an inset panel for the sides, select the side panel, click Add Face Loop in the toolbox, click Shrink, click Inset by 0.125. Select the center control face, the center panel, increase the crease and sharp values to create an edge. Change the surface to option 8 for smoothing. Phase 1 of your gas can model is complete.